So guys, Sumrock Luna here again. So habang tapos na yung full body ni Red Hood rather than Arkham Knight, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung jacket na included a soft good leather jacket. Napakaganda ng details guys, makikita nyo sa video. Ayan. And the good thing about this jacket is nazizip siya, hindi kagaya nung ibang pinapa-custom ng iba na hindi gumagana yung zipper. So ayan siya. Ayan. Very simple style lang na brown leather jacket. Napakaangas pa din para sa Himoxian 110 scale Red Hood natin. So abangan ninyo guys pag nasuot na natin. Yep, let's go. Alright guys, so for the weapon pack, just to show you, so this is the grappling gun or part of the grappling accessories for our Red Hood Himoxian 110 scale. So this is if it's not, or kung hindi siya nilaunch pa, okay? So kapag nilaunch, ganito magiging itsura niya. Tanggalin nyo siya, kita nyo tong wire na to, ikakabit nyo sa magkabilang dulo. So this will be the outcome, ganyan lang siya. So wired siya, flexible wire siya, so you can pose it in different angles na gusto nyo. Alright, yun lang.